the chairman of the District Disaster Management Authority, the Director Health Services, Sri Bhavan Kumar, Manik Deepan, who is in charge of this institute now, and Dr. Ramesh, all HODs and professors, assistant professors, and all the medical officers of Indira Gandhi Medical College. First of all, I would like to thank you personally and also congratulate you. The kind of service which you are doing during this difficult period in the state of Puducherry for the people of Puducherry. Why I am telling this? I interacted with some of the patients who were admitted in Indira Gandhi Medical College. The people were happy about the treatment given to them in the ICU and also in the COVID ward, the kind of food given to them, the nursing care given to them. They were very happy, and after discharge also they called me and they told me they have been taken care of by the doctors, nurses and all other the staffs working in Indira Gandhi Medical College. Therefore, I wanted to personally thank you and congratulate you for that, for your committed and dedicated work in this institute. Several issues have been raised by the various professors, assistant professors, HODs. The main focus is on the shortage of staff, and secondly, about the promotion issue you have mentioned. Then the equipments, replacing the equipments or even repairing the equipments, the issues, there are problems because they have to come from the other states. All these issues have to be addressed. But as far as the COVID is concerned, we have to take it very seriously in the sense, within a month, more than 20,000 deaths took place in the country due to COVID. Because it is going on escalating, and we find from our own experience that yesterday it reached the peak and today it has come down little. But we are not sure how we are going to contain it or control it, because the government of India has been telling us that you have to go for more number of tests. That is the guideline given by the WHO and also the ICMR. In fact, I talked to our phone to Honorable Minister for Health, Government of India, Dr. Harshvardhan. He was also telling me that the more number of tests will help us to find out the COVID patient at the earliest stage and we can treat them. And secondly, I had 5 meetings with the Honorable Prime Minister in video conference. I told him about the difficulties which our Puducherry state government is facing, our doctors and other nurses and other paramedical staffs are facing in Puducherry. As far as the government of India is concerned, Puducherry is a tiny territory because they are looking for the bigger states where the number of cases are more and casualties also more. Maharashtra number 1, Tamil Nadu number 2. Now Andhra Pradesh is rising, West Bengal is rising, Kerala, which has come down, now it started rising. Therefore, that being the situation, Puducherry is concerned, it is not their priority. But in spite of it, it is our duty. In fact, when the complaint came about the food, in the Disaster Management Authority meeting, we have decided that the quality food should be given to the people. Because Tamil Nadu, what they are doing, they are keeping people in home isolation. Maximum number of people they are keeping in home isolation. But in Puducherry, we are following the protocol. We keep them at least 10 days in the hospital and then they are being monitored. Now the time has come because Tamil Nadu also they are telling that 7 days they can be there. That is sufficient, that is enough, they say. That has to be decided by the doctors committee and you can take a call on that because our IGMC, the number of patients are increasing, JIPR also it is increasing. Now Honorable Minister Shri Malladi Krishna Rao, our Secretary, Director, they had interaction with the private medical colleges. They have agreed to give some of the areas for the purpose of keeping the people in the COVID care centers. I do not know how much bed they will be able to give, but we don't have the big areas in Puducherry to keep people in the auditorium or in the marriage hall because they have got a very small area. Therefore, for keeping the patients, because as director said, even Jipper also, the patients are overflowing. The patient has to wait for 3 hours, 4 hours for the purpose of admission there. And therefore now you have to change the protocol and see if the people who can be kept in house isolation or house quarantine, those people can be kept there. But one mechanism has to be worked out. The doctor should regularly interact with the patient. Every day, minimum once, maximum twice. And the system should be in place where if there is a complaint, because the nurses and also the ASHA workers should go there and then take care of them. The doctors, if necessary, doctors should also go there. Because the other issues which I have been explaining about the administrative issue, our chief secretary being the chairman, our secretary is there, director is there, Mani Deepan is there. We will tell them to address those issues. But as far as the manpower is concerned, last time when I came here, we told that we will try to create more posts. We will employ people on contract basis also, for which the file has been moved. The Honorable Health Minister is taking lot of interest in that. In fact, even within the departments for filling up of the posts, the steps have been taken by the Secretary in consultation with the Chief Secretary that we will address those issues. Now, I would like to request him. We have to consider the present crisis situation and we have to see that our more number of people are treated and they are safe. That should be our motto. Any organization there will be grievances. That can be addressed. But the people's life is very, very important for us. Because all India level we find that death ratio has come to now 2.3%. In Puducherry it is 1.4%. Therefore recovery is also increasing. That is not enough. The kind of infrastructure we have, medical infrastructure we have in Puducherry, the kind of experts we have in Puducherry, we should ensure that more number of patients who are in critical care, they should also be saved. That is going to give credit to this institution. In fact, I came here, especially yesterday today, Honorable Minister went to Yanam because of the Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh, number of cases are increasing. He was worried. He has gone there. Otherwise, he has been regularly monitoring in various medical colleges, including private medical colleges, for the purpose of addressing the issues. In fact, your grievances are genuine. We are trying to address it as early as possible. We are also moving in the direction of filling up of the post and also for contract postings of doctors, nurses, ASHA workers, all other field staff. We wanted to have minimum about 100 to 150 doctors. We are working on that. In fact, Puducherry is the only state where the people in the containment area, we have been giving assistance to the people who are living in the containment area. Not only that, Puducherry is the only state from the Chief Minister's COVID fund, if any patient dies, 1 lakh rupees for their family has been announced by our government. No other government in the country announced. Therefore, we take care of the patients, you take care of the patients. As far as our government is concerned, the kind of credit that has been given by our government, with your full cooperation and support, with your hard work, it has to be kept alive. That is what I wanted to tell you, because in fact, one incident where ex-MLA passed away, the institute, the private medical college, they put his address wrongly. The present MLA's father's name was there, address was there. It has become an issue. Therefore, this kind of things, even when the doctor was mentioning about the spelling mistake and the kind of, sometimes, it happens sometimes, but some people take it very seriously. Therefore, we should address those issues, we should be very careful, because we have to increase the more number of testing, because now the antigen kits also coming, we are also going to get it, because the government of India, we wanted them to give us the testing kits. We are not giving, but we are getting it from our own resources. But we will address all your issues as early as possible, especially the creating more manpower, which is a major concern. Other departmental issues, we will definitely coordinate and we will discuss with the Chief Secretary and the Secretary and also the institute in charge. We will work in that direction. My request to all of you is, this is going to stay long because it is going to be for till the medicine is found out. Therefore, because the kind of the dedication, the commitment which you have been giving to this institute, definitely we will remember it, we will recognize it, and we would like to tell you to carry on with your work with dedication and commitment, because in fact every day in the media, when I meet the media people, I say the doctors, nurses, ASHA workers, ANMs and the paramedical staff and all the staffs, we have from the government side, we have been giving you our recognition, and also the people who have been treated went home, they are also giving that recognition. This is a more than sufficient for your hard work, and therefore I would like to tell you, anything is there, you feel free to talk to us over the phone. We are there to respond to you, and moreover, my request to you is that as many as possible people, because only 10% of the people, 5 plus 5, 10% of the people are in serious condition. They have to be treated. Other people have to be monitored. That is the situation. The focus on that, try to save the patients who have been affected by COVID, because 1% death is going to be the spoiler for the entire family. Keeping that in mind, kindly work. The government will give all support, all kinds of necessary support to you in this hour of crisis within our available resources. It may take some more time for some issues, sometimes immediately some issues can be resolved. But as a whole, the institution, the name is very important. Name of the institute has to be kept up by your hard work. Thank you very much.